Hey guys, I just wanted to walk you through the Health Spective website. At the end of this week will be the first week that you are able to collect the steps for the students. I have told some of my students also that as long as they get the 70,000 for the week, that's the most important thing. So if they don't hit the 10,000 per day, that's fine as long as they get the 70,000 per week. So this is what it looks like when you first log on. You're going to go to groups over here, and I've made each of you admin in your groups. And then you're going to select your group here. Most of you should only have one. So I'm selecting my group, and then I'm going to select my range. So you can do a custom range, and you select the start date. So for this unit, it would have been on the 9th. I can't select the 15th because we haven't had it yet, but you can go through the 12th. I'll just put it as an example, and then you select dates. And then it pulls up the steps and everything for those, so for that range. So, and that's the easiest way to then go through and say, okay, who hasn't had 70,000 steps and so on. Let me know if you have any questions, and please let me know how many people are still struggling to get synced to the website. I'm really trying to send everyone also to that customer service email that she had sent me that I had sent to y'all. So make sure you're sending kids that way if they need help. Thanks. Bye.